Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
Excavation in the earth from which ores and minerals are extracted. Explosive device that explodes on contact. Designed to destroy vehicles or ships or to kill or maim personnel. Get from the earth by excavation. Mine ores and metals. Lay mines. The Vietnamese mined Cambodia. The act of extracting ores or coal etc. from the earth. The site of an archaeological exploration. The act of digging. There's an interesting excavation going on near Princeton. A hole in the ground made by excavating. Device that bursts with sudden violence from internal energy. Draw from. Make good use of. Tap a telephone or telegraph wire to get information. The FBI was tapping the phone line of the suspected spy. Dance and make rhythmic clicking sounds by means of metal plates nailed to the sole of the dance shoes. Glover tap dances better than anybody. Make a solicitation or entreaty for something. Request urgently or persistently. A gentle blow. The sound made by a gentle blow. Make light, repeated taps on a surface. He was tapping his fingers on the table impatiently. A plug for a bunghole in a cask. A faucet for drawing water from a pipe or cask. The act of tapping a telephone or telegraph line to get information. A light touch or stroke. Strike lightly. He tapped me on the shoulder. A small metal plate that attaches to the toe or heel of a shoe, as in tap dancing. A tool for cutting female, internal, screw threads. Cut a female screw thread with a tap. Draw from or dip into to get something. Tap one's memory. Draw, liquor, from a tap. Tap beer in a bar. Furnish with a tap or spout, so as to be able to draw liquid from it. Tap a cask of wine. Pierce in order to draw a liquid from. Tap a maple tree for its syrup. Walk with a tapping sound. Draw from. Make good use of. We must exploit the resources we are given wisely. Use or manipulate to one's advantage. He exploit the new taxation system. Work excessively hard. He is exploiting the students. A notable achievement. Strengthen and support with rewards. Let's reinforce good behavior. Make stronger. He reinforced the concrete. Make stronger. A mine where sulfur is dug from the ground. A mine where coal is dug from the ground. A mine where coal is dug from the ground. A mine where sulfur is dug from the ground. A mine where copper is dug from the ground. Extract, or, from a strip mine. An open mine, usually for coal, where the seams run close to the surface. A mine where silver ore is dug. A job involving drudgery and confinement. A mine where salt is dug. A good source of something that is desired. A mine where gold ore is found. A good source of something that is desired. A mine where gold ore is found. An explosive mine designed to destroy ships that bump into it. An explosive mine designed to destroy ships that bump into it. An explosive mine hidden underground. Explodes when stepped on or driven over. An unforeseen or unexpected or surprising difficulty. An explosive mine hidden underground. Explodes when stepped on or driven over. An explosive mine hidden underground. Explodes when stepped on or driven over. Extract, ore, from a strip mine. Extract, ore, from a strip mine. Destroy property or hinder normal operations. Destroy enemy mines with one's own mines. We countermand the banks of the river. Military, a tunnel dug to defeat similar activities by the enemy. Christianity, the abode of Satan and the forces of evil, where sinners suffer eternal punishment. A demon from the depths of the pit. Set into opposition or rivalry. Pit a chess player against the Russian champion. Lowered area in front of a stage where an orchestra accompanies the performers. Remove the pits from. Pit plums and cherries. A sizable hole, usually in the ground. They dug a pit to bury the body. A trap in the form of a concealed hole. A concavity in a surface, especially an anatomical depression. The hard inner, usually woody, layer of the pericarp of some fruits, as peaches or plums or cherries or olives, that contains the seed. A surface excavation for extracting stone or slate. A British term for quarry is stone pit. A workplace consisting of a coal mine plus all the buildings and equipment connected with it. Mark with a scar. An enclosure in which animals are made to fight. Auto racing. An area at the side of a racetrack where the race cars are serviced and refueled. Commodity exchange. The part of the floor of a commodity exchange where trading in a particular commodity is carried on. A workplace consisting of a coal mine plus all the buildings and equipment connected with it. A nearly horizontal passage from the surface into a mine. Excavation consisting of a vertical or sloping passageway for finding or mining ore. A workplace consisting of a coal mine plus all the buildings and equipment connected with it. A nearly horizontal passage from the surface into a mine. A nearly horizontal passage from the surface into a Excavation consisting of a vertical or sloping passageway for finding or mining ore or for ventilating a mine. An aggressive remark directed at a person like a missile and intended to have a telling effect. She threw shafts of sarcasm. The hollow spine of a feather. A revolving rod that transmits power or motion. A column of light, as from a beacon. Defeat someone through trickery or deceit. The main, mid section of a long bone. Architecture. Upright consisting of the vertical part of a column. Obscene terms for penis. A long pointed rod used as a tool or weapon. A line that forms the length of an arrow pointer. A long rod or pole, especially the handle of an implement or the body of a weapon like a spear or arrow. A long vertical passage sunk into the earth, as for a mine or tunnel. A vertical passageway through a building, as for an elevator. Equip with a shaft. Laying explosive mines in concealed places to destroy enemy personnel and equipment. The act of extracting ores or coal etc. from the earth.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.